Welcome to the Android News Bulletin for Wednesday, August 8th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, of course, please subscribe and hope that you enjoy this new Android news, basically. So, in the Android news today, we have the Android 9 Pie OS, of course. That's in the news since it's been announced 2 days ago. And many aspects of the new operating system is promising to change the way that we use Android, and it looks more and more interesting at many levels. But, will it be enough to make it rise faster than past Android OS? As many experts are saying, it's time to have better updates. And of course, Google thinks that its new way of helping out and updating might actually improve that and make it better. You own a Galaxy S7 phone? I do. Make sure you're at the latest update, because researchers from the Graz Technical University say that even though we didn't think that meltdown was affecting any Samsung phones, the Galaxy S7 is actually vulnerable to this meltdown flaw, and it leaves it open to hackers. If you really want to stay safe, make sure that you have the latest updates installed on the phone. It's extremely important because apparently it's so severe that it's actually easy to exploit. The Galaxy Note 9 is soon to be released, and one of the interesting aspects of the release is analysts thinking that it might actually suffer from the same fate as the Galaxy S9 series right now, sluggish sales, unless it can prove that it's a amazing phone, that it has, really amazing new features that will wow audience. Samsung might have a lot of difficult time selling the device. So many are saying, and including some Google employees, that the Google efforts in its new Android statues in front of the lawn. Of course, every time there's a new version, they unveil that new statue. But before, they were really far out statues that had really cool designs. Now it's always that little Android green guy with, green robot with just whatever next to it. And, a lot of people are saying that these are kind of getting boring now, and that the company should actually invest more time in extravagant statues that were there before. If you're using the Gmail app on your Android device, there will be a new feature that a lot of people will actually want. It will soon let you turn off conversation mode, as it seems that a lot of people are going nuts with that, including me. I don't really like conversation mode, I gotta say. So, you'll be able to understand a little more all of the mail and all the things that you do with your Gmail app. You want to find love? Well, it seems, according to a survey of 1,500 people, that it's harder to find love if you're an Android user. Yep, one of those weird statistics, but it seems that in the question that he asked, 70% of the people in the survey said they would actually prefer dating an iPhone user. Okay, are we that superficial today? Really? The phone you have will depend on you love someone or not? Come on. Please, let's move on. And what we were talking yesterday about the dangers of downloading something from outside of the Google Play Store. Well, Fortnite, of course, is promising to be available outside the Google Play Store. We were talking about security risks. Well, tons and tons of websites are right now promising to you a Fortnite game, which is still not available and hasn't been released yet. So please do not download this. There are viruses and malware in there, so you'll just be in trouble. I will actually do a alert video because I think it's worth it to mention. And remember, Fortnite for Android is still not released, and you'll have to take it from the official website, not from anywhere. And of course, it brings us to a question of why does the company behind Fortnite not use the Google Play Store? It's kind of interesting. It's as if they just want to, bypass some of the aspects of the Google Play Store and maybe just make more money directly rather than doing it through another platform. But it's the first time that a major game is actually released outside of the Google Play Store, and it undermines one question of, is Google Play, or on the case of iOS, if they could do, maybe they would, a lot of apps would do it also, but why, maybe there's something wrong that needs to be fixed for apps to show up in the Google Play Store. And this was the Android news for Wednesday, August 8th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.